Two people here at the same time looking at the same CLE 53. They both have trades, so let's go take a look at the trades. All right, did we get this here, this door ding?
Yeah, we put that.
How'd the tires measure?
Backs were...
I feel pretty good.
Fronts were 7. That, about that. Barry did tell me that, but I would love to keep that on.
I mean, for 101,000 miles, it looks pretty clean. How about the windshield? You got to make sure that you really look over the windshield.
I did look. If you find something, I'm blind.
It looks good. So it's definitely very clean.
Fun car.
Mm-hmm. I mean, overall, it's pretty clean. Just that back bumper. Rubelite coupe?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah. It's the year of Rubelite. How are the tires? And who is this?
My client in my office, he's looking at the CLE 53, the same one that John's trying to sell, so we're in a hurry.
We got two people looking at the same CLE 53. Oh, it's Alpine on Tonka Brown. That's a rare combo. Very clean. Touchpad. Oh, it's cracked. All right, so Angela, it's really clean, but it does have a cracked touchpad, unfortunately.
I can see that.
Yep.
And then there's a couple like little dings and stuff on the door here, like here.
Yeah.
And then.
Ooh.
Where was the other one?
And also on this chrome piece as well, unfortunately. Yeah. Oh man, bummer. That is not an easy. These are all like just really. They're little things, but these are more difficult to. And if it was your car, you'd probably live with it.
Yeah.
But the next person isn't going to live with it.
Yeah.
Right? They're not okay with that.
I think that was everything. There was a curved wheel too.
Yeah. Overall, it's a very nice car. It's got just a couple things that we're going to have to do to it. What are you all doing out here? Are you just looking for me?
Good deals. Yeah. Let's go.
Going home.
This is what happens when the sales manager's off for the day, and I'm the only one here. All right, so we got two people trying to sell the same car at the same time. That's always fun.
Yes, John.
Right here, CLE 53 coupe. And they both have coupe trades, so an E450 coupe and Rubelite, an Audi S5. I got to finish putting a number real quick on this Audi S5 for John.
Come on.
Excuse me first.
Does he really like that one?
So John, I'm at 23,250, and that's a real number, unlike, you know, what the Audi store told him.
Okay.
You know, whether he was buying a car from us or just wanted to sell it, right? That's our number. Yeah, the bad Carfax is very unfortunate because I can tell that it's a very nice car and it's probably a very, very minor thing that was on there, but you just got to remember if he does ask, just got to say it's not that there's anything wrong with the car, it's just that 50% of people will never know it's available for sale.
It's a listing thing.
It's visibility is what it is.
Visibility. Thanks.
All right.
E450.
All right, so now we got to appraise the C450. Yeah, Rubelite. Man, it's so both of these cars have very high miles. That Audi just had 101,000 miles on it. This Rubelite E-Class, and is this non-formatic?
Oh.
Oh, baby.
Is it non-formatic?
I didn't even notice the badge on the.
Yes.
Oh, it's formatic. It's formatic. It's a nice car, but it is very high miles, and it has a decent number of scratches on it that are going to have to be dealt with, and also we're going to have that cracked touch pad is a real pain because really not that big of a deal, but again, you just got to put yourself in the shoes of the next person that's going to buy it. So we're at 20,250 on that. Okay. Was this an appointment? Walk-in?
It's an appointment, yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see who can get it done first.
It's gonna be me.
So you guys sold the same car at the same time, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Of course. And of all of the CLE 53s that we have, this is the one that is most unlike everything else. Of course. So what's the deal with your guy? When's he doing the deal? When's
He's putting 1,000 down today, and Colin's helping me wrap it up.
Okay. What's this guy? How's this guy buying the car?
Cash.
Okay.
Mine's financing.
Oh, that's
I'll
what
do
you
it
were
right
asking.
now. Like,
Well-
he literally wants to take the car today. And tire and wheel.
Yeah, I mean, John's guy was first, unfortunately. So we have to,
Don't hate me.
This
I
is
don't
get the
hate
bu- I
you.
gotta go to the
This
buzzer
has
one
never
time.
happened to me
John,
before.
this is the business.
Yeah.
Buzzer's gotta go one time for me.
so we got to find a replacement. We got to find an option for
Thank you.
your
This is gonna
guy.
make him laugh.
Is it hot in here or just my?
Is it just the color combination that he wants, or?
Yeah. He didn't care about really anything else.
Good news, you're still gonna have a deal because I didn't
There's
think
only-
we were being able to dealer trade for.
So there's 3 of this color combination in the country, of course, and 2 of them are in Pennsylvania, great trade partners, but they are quite a bit more equipped than this car. That's the only thing. Dang it. What was the most important thing for him about this car? Was it the interior or the exterior or both?
Both. He just really loved the Alpine and brown, the Tonka brown.
Oh, man. Hate when this happens.
Do you think we can get either from PA?
I'm confident I can get both of them.
Okay.
It's just a matter of,
Honestly, I mean, he might be. He didn't really bat an eye too much at all.
I mean, he keeps his cars for a long time,
Yeah.
so he might see that one out there is kind of basically equipped. I mean, it's got driver assist and that's about it. It doesn't have Pinnacle or anything.
Okay.
So these are the other 2 that are out there. You know, of course, I can't physically have them here today. I'm sure I could get either of them.
Okay.
The main difference is one of them's got 20-inch wheels, which, you know, better looking wheel, but it would come with a performance tire. The other one does have the same wheels as the ones out there. You're basically just, what are you trading? One of these is pretty exotic. So you lose the upgraded wheels, but you pick up like a carbon fiber exterior package.
Okay.
And both of them have Pinnacle as well. So head-up display, you know, the upgraded lights.
Then we could still do docs today for it to count for you technically.
Yeah, so let's just see if we can figure something out for him.
Okay.
A recap. So we sold the same car twice within 10 minutes
We
to,
did.
right?
We did.
But all is not lost. We located a similar car
Yes.
and got 2 deals instead of 1.
I think it was like.
It was actually like $7,000 more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it probably would have worked out great if it had gone either way, because both of these people are people who keep their cars for a long time.
Yeah.
So I think that having the extra equipment, extra options in the long run, he'll be happy with.
He actually did seem pretty happy about the
Yeah.
carbon fiber package and stuff like that. So it worked out.
Yeah, it's going to be a more special car than the one that is here.
Agreed. Yeah. So it worked out. He's happy.
Woo! Love when a plan comes together.